Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Word, how to solve MS Word product activation failed error. So first close the Microsoft applications, and now first go to this PC, open this PC and open C drive. Now from here we have to find a Microsoft Office folder. To find it, if you are using a 32-bit, you will find it in program files x86. If you are using a 64-bit, you will find it in program files. Search for Microsoft Office, search for Office 16. Now from here you will find this folder, this file OSPRIM. Simply right click and click on Run as Administrator, open one time, again click on Run as Administrator for the second time, again click on Run as Administrator for the third time, open the OSPRIM folder 3 times as Run as Administrator, and after opening it, simply go and start your application and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.